Okay, TSSA test number 5. This is to verify solid state devices. We're going to start out with the up output to verify if it is shorted, that we will be able to detect it and shut down the car. In order to do this, we're going to want to be able to watch what's going on the screen. In order to do that, just push the mode button a couple of times from wherever you're at. It'll bring you to elevator status. You hit the enter button, and now you can see the status of the elevator. We're on automatic, we're waiting assignment. At this point, we need to jump the up output. In order to do that, TST4 right here, right below the row of sync and source jumpers, is TST4. And then below it, it says up. So that lets us know that TST4 is going to jump the up output. I'm going to take a jumper carefully and put it on that TST4. Once that jumper is on TST4, I'm going to initiate a call above the car because we're testing the up output. When I register the call, you'll hear the contactor come in and out as it tries to go. If you'll notice, the contactor is going to come in and out 3 times. On the screen, we're going to show an up IO failed on because it's shorted, it's on. And after it does it 3 times, then it's going to go to at floor shutdown. With it at floor shutdown, you'll see that it's an IO error, and that IO error is that the up output failed. Now we could register another car call, or try to register another car call, and verify that the car is out of service and will not go. After we verified that the car will not go, in order to get it back into service, what we have to do is remove our jumper on TST4. Once we remove the jumper from TST4, then we can go up to the top of the board, put it on inspection, and you can verify the inspection by noticing on the status on the LCD screen, it says machine room inspection. Once we're on inspection, all we do is reach back up, put the switch to the up position, and it'll go through a reset mode, and it'll test the relays and do the redundancy test, and now you'll notice it goes back to waiting assignment. Now the reset fault stays there for 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, that will go back to automatic service. That tests the up output. The second part of this test, now that we verified the up output, we're going to verify the down output. With the car in automatic service, that you can see again from the status, we're waiting assignment, we're going to carefully put a jumper on TST5. TST5, if you'll take a look right here, is again underneath this row of sync and source on the 1102 board, and underneath it, it says DNR. So we are going to carefully put a jumper on DNR. Because we're testing the down output, we have to initiate a run in the down direction. So I'm going to set up a call below the car, and when I enter the call, you should hear the contactor come in. Now you hear it come in and go out, and it's going to happen 3 times. And if you take a look, there's a DNR IO failed on the screen, and after it has done it 3 times, it will switch to at floor shutdown. That means that the test is complete and the car is now shut down and will not run. We can verify that by trying to register another call to a different floor, and the car will not run. In order to bring the car back into service, we have to remove our jumper from TST5. We have to put the car on inspection. We can do that on the machine room inspection by going up to this point, putting it on inspection, and you can verify that it's on inspection with the status mode. Once it's on inspection, we take it off inspection by putting the switch back up. And it'll go through some tests here. Once the tests have been gone through, you'll see that the screen will come back to waiting assignment. The car is now back in service and can run.